Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a test print on a Brother DCP-J132W. So from the main screen of the printer, we're going to press menu, then we use the up and down arrows here to go into ink. The very first option we have is test print, so we press OK again. Then you've got several options here, print quality, alignment. So we're going to do print quality this time. Press start, and this will take just a minute. Now, when it's done, you'll be presented with a page that looks like this. Now what your printer's done here is break down all of the colours your printer's capable of producing: black, yellow, cyan and magenta, and done them in a whole load of, you see the pattern it's made? At an angle, quite fine detail. And if there was any kind of print quality issues, like, oh, in fact, you can see ever such a slight one up here, got a little missing block there. So there's a slight issue with the black on this printer. But otherwise, the print quality is looking fine. And like a lot of modern printers, your brother will actually take you through cleaning now if you do need to improve it. So you simply indicate that everything is not okay by pressing the downward arrow over here. And then you can be more specific. The black wasn't okay, so we'll press no. Colour was okay, so we'll press yes. Okay to start cleaning. And again, this will take a minute, and you can go in circles like this until your print quality is exactly where you want it to be. But hopefully you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If you've got anything else you'd like to know, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.